it's Amy. Look what I made. I'm hosting a dinner tonight, but my friends all had different ideas for what to eat. So I decide pick an egg. That would be fair for everybody. I got Penrose from Linda. Alright, it's very nice that she sent me a reference video. Then I'll create my own version with live clam, shrimp head, and fresh tomato. First, I'm going to prepare the seafood and the chicken. Start with the shrimp. Cut the head off. I'm saving the head for the tomato base. Clean the vein. Make sure you clean it very well before cooking. After deveining, give them a shower. Make sure they are deep clean. Here I have a live clam. Found them at the supermarket. So happy. Add the salt in the water so they think still in the ocean and spit out the sand. Alright, after 1 hour, wash it before steam it. I have prepared the boiling water and ready to steam. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Wow, they all opened up, means they are really fresh. And here I have some chicken breast. Roughly cut them in cubes. Quick question, do you know where the Penrose comes from? Let's discuss in the comments. Now pan fry the shrimp head. Shrimp head really gives intense seafood flavor which adds a lot of depth. Then pan fry the shrimp and the chicken. Penrose actually comes from Las Vegas. Did you guess right? At this point, don't fully cook the shrimp and chicken. Next, I'm going to saute the aromatics. I have green bell pepper, shallot, onion, garlic, and celery. Chop the garlic, onion, shallot. Dice the green pepper. I only need 1 cup of the green pepper. Dice the celery. Saute all the ingredients until softened. Lastly, I'm going to prepare the tomato puree. Tomato is the main ingredient for this Penrose base. Tomato puree, yes, a lot of tomatoes. Use the juice blender to make the tomato puree. Add the tomato puree into the aromatics. Adding the clam juice from the steamed clam. Now picking the spice I'm going to use: parsley, basil, paprika, white pepper,
smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, bay leaf, half teaspoonful each spice. 3 bay leaves goes in first.
Now adding the shrimp head into the tomato base to make more flavor. Cook about 10 to 15 minutes. Using the hand blender to blend everything together. Strain out all the solid and keep the liquid. I'm making the roux, start adding the butter and the flour. Stir fry until medium brown. Now I think the color is right. Add the tomato liquid.
All the spice in. Chicken, shrimp. Oh, I almost forgot about it. Here I'm using some canned crab meat. It will be so delicious. Crab meat. Whipped cream at the end.
Simmer it for another 1 or 2 minutes.
The pan roast is done. Time to plate up. I cook some rice.
Wow, isn't it pretty and stunning? Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. If there's something you'd like me to make and share with family and friends, comment below. I'll make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.